Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. First of all, a very happy new year to one and all watching my videos. Well, I just relocated from Adelaide to Sydney. So today it's going to be my granny flat's house tour. So this is how the neighborhood looks like. It's a pretty new area, they're just developing it. You can see all the new houses being developed right now, even here. And that's my car and my car. And this is not my house, this is my landlord's house. I'm staying in the granny flat just behind this house. Obviously, being a granny flat, I don't get my own garage to park my cars. I'll have to park my cars here outside on the street. And for those of you who are thinking, where's my motorbike? It's still in Adelaide. It's at my friend's place. I'll go get it once I get a proper house. This house is also a temporary one. These are some of the struggles of getting a house here in Sydney. Anyways, I'll show you my granny flat right now. This is a pretty new house, but I can't stay very long here. The work is still going on here. And this is the entrance to my flat. So this is the first entrance to the house. That's another entrance. Now this is the hall. I'll show you the roof. There's a fan here. And this is the AC controls. You have AC for the bedrooms as well as the hall. So the house comes semi-furnished. As per law, a granny flat should have a dishwasher and a stove. So the stove is there. And this house also has a microwave oven, but most granny flats will not give you a microwave oven. And yeah, that's the kitchen cabinet. And you also have an exhaust fan for the cooking stove. You can turn it on. Yeah, so this is the exhaust fan for the cooking stove. Now this is the fridge which we purchased. It does not come along with the house. Now this is the laundry room where you have the washing machine. So we have a washing machine here. This is also another cabinet to store your utensils. And this is the bathroom. So this is how the bathroom looks like. And that's the shower area. Next I'll show you our bedroom. So this is our bedroom. It has central AC. Many granny flats don't have a separate AC for the bedrooms, but this granny flat has. I didn't still set up a bed here because this house is not finalized. I'll be moving away soon from this house. So that's why I just got the mattress right now. And there's one more bedroom. So this is the second bedroom. Again, it has its own cupboard and window. All the windows have net, and there is an air conditioner here as well. Again, like I mentioned, most granny flats don't have air conditioning in their bedrooms. It's just one AC for the whole granny flat. This one has an AC and a fan. So that's the tour of my house, guys. This is a granny flat. It's not very spacious and it's actually a bit expensive. For the same amount of money that you spend on a granny flat in Sydney, you can actually get a huge villa in Adelaide with all utility bills included. But here even the utility bills are extra. So such is the market here in Sydney, where there's rental prices and all the houses are very expensive. Even granny flats are really expensive here compared to Adelaide. But that's it. Anyway, this is a temporary house. I still am searching for a better house. I'm still on a search. So do wish me luck, guys. And yeah, so that's it. That's the tour of my granny flat here in Sydney. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to my channel. And until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.